Land auctions move fast, blink and you could own your dream property. Or make a costly mistake. Buying land at auction can be thrilling and risky. So how do you stack the odds in your favor? First, research is your secret weapon. Dig into the property's title. Check for legal issues. Check for unpaid taxes. Check for surprises that could bite you later. Know the zoning laws. Ask yourself, does this land actually fit my plans? Don't forget to check out the site if you can. Location and condition matter. Next, set a firm budget. Auctions get heated and it's way too easy to overpay. Decide your max bid, factor in hidden costs like taxes and survey fees, line up your financing early. Remember, auction wins are binding, and you'll need to pay up fast. When auction day arrives, keep your cool. Watch a few auctions first to learn the ropes, start your bids low, and never let emotions take over. If the price climbs past your budget, walk away. There will always be another chance. Finally, get help from pros. An agent can spot pitfalls you might miss. A lawyer can spot pitfalls you might miss. Bottom line, with research. Discipline and smart strategy. Buying land at auction can be your ticket to a great investment. Ready to bid smarter?